So welcome students. So in this question you're given that omega is the complex cube root of unity and you're asked to find the value of cos of 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square plus 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, so on 2017 minus omega into 2017 minus omega square times pi by 2017. So you're asked to find the value of this. So how do we do this? So what is the theory that I'm going to use? So we know that omega is if omega is the complex cube root of unity, so what is the quadratic equation for which omega and omega square are the roots? So we know that x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. On factorization you get x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x cube minus 1 is equal to 0 corresponds to the equation for cube roots of unity. One root is x is equal to 1. The other roots, omega and omega square, comes by solving this. So x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The roots of this equation are omega comma omega square. So this implies, can I do this? Can I write x square plus x plus 1 is equal to x minus omega into x minus omega square? So I can write this. So if alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, I can write the quadratic expression as x minus first root into x minus second root. Now, what is 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square? Now let us try to relate this concept with this question. So what is 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square? That is nothing but, according to this, I just put 1 in the place of x. So I just need to put 1 in the place of x in the left hand side also, that is 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So what is 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square? So that is equal to, now I have put 2 in the place of x. This will be 2 square plus 2 plus 1. Similarly, 3 minus omega into 3 minus omega square will be 3 square plus 3 plus 1. So on, 2017 minus omega into 2017 minus omega square will be equal to 2017 whole square plus 2017 plus 1. So now what happens if you add all this? What happens if you add all this? You have to add all this. So I can add all this. This is nothing but sigma n square plus sigma n plus sigma 1 as n goes from 1 to 2017. So that is equal to, so what is sigma n square? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, n into n plus 1 by 2, n. So n is going from 1 to 2017. So this will be 2017 into 2018 into 2n plus 1, that is 4034 plus 1 is 4035 by 6 plus sigma n is 2017 into 2018 by 2 plus sigma 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so on 2017 times. So if you add 1 2017 times, you get n as the answer. So what is important to observe in this statement, in this working, is 2 cancels out 1009 times and 6 cancels out. So does 6 cancel out here? 8, 9, so 6 does not cancel out. 2 3s are 2 1 0 0 9s are, and 3 cancels here. So 3 1 3 4 5s are. So as you can see, you have a 2017 here, you have a 2017 here, you have a 2017 here. So this can be written as 2017 times 2017 times. So 1009 into 1345. 1009 into 1345 is an odd number plus, so if you take out 2017 here, 1009 is an odd number plus, if you take 2017 out, you have a 1 here. That is 2017 times odd number plus odd number is an even number. So even number plus 1 is an odd number. So this sum is nothing but 2017 times an odd number. So now if you substitute this here, so why am I interested in writing this whole thing in terms of this? Because I have a pi by 2017 outside. So this question becomes cos of 2017 times some odd number into pi by 2017. 27 and 27 gets cancelled. So cos of some odd number of pi's, because this is an odd multiple of pi, cos of an odd multiple of pi will be minus 1. If it is an even multiple of pi, it will be plus 1. If it is an odd multiple of pi, it will be minus 1. That's why I have clearly seen whether after taking 2017, you are left with an odd number or an even number. So you need to be careful about this in this question. So minus 1 is the answer. Thank you.